In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert BNB to USDT using the Binance mobile app. This process is simple and we'll cover each step thoroughly to ensure that you feel confident in executing this transaction on your own. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. This is the initial step to making any transactions, as you need to be logged in to access all the features and functions of the Binance platform. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find several options. You need to tap on Trade. This option will lead you to the trading interface of the app. It's a central hub within the app for managing your crypto transactions, and selecting this will enable you to proceed with converting your BNB. After tapping Trade, locate the option labeled Convert. This feature of Binance allows you to easily swap one cryptocurrency for another with minimal hassle. It's designed for quick, straightforward conversions, perfect for users who want to perform simple transactions without delving into more complex trading tools. Now we proceed to the next step, which is choosing the currencies you want to convert. In this case, you'll pick BNB as the coin you're converting from, and USDT as the coin you wish to receive. Choosing these in the app is straightforward. Just select each from the respective drop-down menus. The app will clearly display both options for you. Once you have selected BNB as your starting coin and USDT as your target coin, it's time to input the specific amount of BNB you're looking to convert. You can enter the exact amount you wish to trade in the designated field. This will help the system accurately calculate how much USDT you'll receive based on the current conversion rate. With your amounts entered, tap on Preview Conversion. This step allows you to review the conversion details before finalizing the transaction. It's crucial to ensure you're satisfied with these details, especially the conversion rate, before proceeding. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Convert to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the app will process your conversion and the USDT will be credited to your account. This seamless integration makes managing your crypto assets on Binance not only efficient but also accessible for users at all levels of experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to converting BNB to USDT on the Binance mobile app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy trading.